This photo shows the Tea Trust Colliery and is one of the oldest coal mines in Sahawi Valley, opening in 1839. The miners are just about to start their work underground and are carrying their food to eat during the long shift, mining coal. One man is carrying a metal jug which would be filled with water to drink during his break. Today, all of the coal mines are gone and traces of his scene have disappeared. In its place is a much cleaner and quiet scene as part of a school and leisure centre now stand on the site. This is all that's left of the Tea Trust Colliery. To the left of me you can see a coal dram, and behind me you can see a winding wheel.